We're rounding up the best IKEA makeup storage ideas for you to copy. There's no better way to store and care for your makeup needs than with these IKEA makeup storage ideas. Watch on and find out which will suit your makeup room the best. 1. Soccer plant pot with holder. While the Skura is cuter than this soccer plant pot sets, this doubles as a cosmetic organizer and is best for people who really need several containers for their brushes, all placed in one holder. A must-have to keep your makeup table clutter-free. 2. RATIONELL VARIERA cutlery trays. What about your drawers, you ask? How can you organize it? I suggest IKEA's RATIONELL VARIERA cutlery trays. Even though they're primarily designed for your cutlery, you can also use it as a makeup drawer organizer. 3. Alex drawer units with 9 drawers. The 9-tier drawers is an amazing piece of furniture, which can hold tons of makeup and beauty products. The best part of using this IKEA Alex drawer unit is that you can categorize your makeup for the eyes, lip, face, skincare, and a lot more. 4. MALM dressing table with lac shelves. Like in this case, you can pair the MALM dressing table with IKEA's lac wall shelves. You can use the MALM table as your vanity, use the drawers for storage, and use the shelves for display and storage purposes as well. 5. Grundtall rail and containers. The Grundtall rail and containers may be a staple in the kitchen, but it is by no means just going to stay there. We love the rail and container combo for makeup storage as well. Put your makeup brushes there, your eyebrow grooming kit, or anything you need to quickly access. Best of all, it saves a lot of table space. 6. LINNMON tabletop with Alex drawers. So maybe you're not a fan of the MALM dressing table. Then here's another great option for you. You can use the IKEA LINNMON tabletop and pair it with Alex drawer units, 5-tier this time. With this IKEA storage idea, you get easy and instant access to your makeup goodies right underneath your tabletop. 7. Godmorgen box with containers. The IKEA Godmorgen box with containers is the ideal makeup storage for those tiny goodies like lipsticks, lip balms, and eye pencil. You can also store some of your makeup palettes there. This acrylic makeup case is best placed on the tabletop or on a shelf. 8. BLOMSTER Bowl. Primarily intended for indoor plants, you can use this IKEA BLOMSTER Bowl as your makeup brush storage as well. Just fill the bowl with crystal fills and stick your makeup brushes in there. Smart. 9. Komplement drawer with glass front. If you have wall shelves, then the Komplement drawer with a glass front is a good makeup storage idea for you. It's the standard size, so it's most likely to fit any wall shelf at home. What I really like about this one is the glass front, as it helps see the items easier. It's ideal for makeup organization and the perfect addition to your makeup room. 10. RASKOG utility cart. Do you find yourself moving around the house when doing your makeup? No more carrying boxes and containers of makeup products, ladies. Just push and pull this cart and your makeup will be with you wherever you go. The ideal makeup storage for ladies who are always on the go.